Well, hello, consumer math class. You are now on part two of the car project, and you're going to have to investigate a 2020 Ford Escape SE. So step one is make sure we go to the Ford.com website, and then you'll click on Vehicles. You'll click on the 2020 Escape. You will scroll down, and we'll find the SE. That's the one we're investigating. And we'll find this small little button right here. And that is an estimated payments for the 2020. Make sure we hit finance. All right. And then when we do that, these are the different months. There's a down payment, and it will all calculate it right here. So it's a nice, easy spot for us to do so. All right, thank you.